Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bitrise for automated mobile testing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Bitrise for automated mobile testing, begin by navigating to the Bitrise website. Locate the sign up button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with several sign up options, including GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or email. Choose your preferred sign-up method. If you select one of the version control options, authorize Bitrise to access your account. Follow any prompts to authenticate your account. If you prefer to sign up with email, fill in your details, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Review the Bitrise terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms if you're comfortable. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once registered, you may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Bitrise. Click on the verification link within that email to activate your account. After verification, return to the Bitrise website and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in for the first time, you will be guided through a setup wizard. This wizard will help you connect your repositories and configure your first app. Select your desired repository from the list shown. Authorize Bitrise to access the selected repository for building and testing. Follow the prompts to configure your app settings according to your project needs. Once your app is configured, you can set up workflows for automated testing. Explore the available integrations to enhance your mobile testing process. After setting everything up, you can initiate your first build to see Bitrise in action. Monitor the build process through the provided dashboard. Review the logs and results generated after completion. This process enables efficient mobile testing using Bitrise automation features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.